Unlocking opportunities. New year, new deals, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and unravel its many phrases and idioms. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that you might hear a lot around the turn of the year. New year, new deals. This phrase is not only popular in business contexts but also in personal development and various forms of media. Let's break it down together and understand what it truly means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. New year, new deals, is a phrase that encapsulates the spirit of renewal and opportunity associated with the start of a new year. It's built on the foundation of the widely recognized idea of New Year, New Me, which people use to talk about their personal transformations and resolutions. However, New Year, New Deals specifically shifts the focus towards opportunities, agreements, or offers that are new or improved compared to what was available before. Key components. New Year symbolizes a fresh start, a clean slate from which to begin anew. New deals refers to new opportunities, agreements, bargains, or offers that come with this fresh start. This phrase is versatile and can be found in various contexts. In business and sales, companies and businesses love to advertise New Year, new deals to attract customers looking for fresh offers at the beginning of the year. It suggests that the new year brings new, better, or exclusive deals that weren't available before. In personal development, individuals might use this phrase to express their commitment to new opportunities for growth, learning, or improvement in their personal or professional lives. It's a way of saying they are open to new challenges and experiences. In media and advertising, you'll often see this phrase in advertisements, social media, and marketing campaigns, especially in the context of seasonal sales, new product launches, or special offers that coincide with the new year. When you want to use New Year, New Deals in conversation or writing, consider what you're trying to convey. Are you talking about special offers from businesses? Or are you referring to personal opportunities and goals? Here are a couple of examples. In a business context, our shop is embracing the motto, New Year, New Deals by offering exclusive discounts on all our new arrivals this January. Personal growth. I'm adopting a New Year, New Deals attitude towards my career this year, looking for new projects and opportunities to expand my skills. New Year, New Deals is more than just a catchy phrase. It's a mindset that encourages looking forward to new beginnings and embracing the opportunities they bring. Whether in the realm of business, personal development, or casual conversation, it's a versatile expression that can add a touch of optimism and forward thinking to your dialogue. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use the phrase confidently. Here's to a year filled with incredible new deals for all of us. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the English language.